NECO Mathematics 2024 Objective Questions 36 to 40. Question 36. Calculate the area of the trapezium ABC in figure 3.3. Let's take the solution. Area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 times sum of parallel sides times h. The parallel sides are 8 and 16. The height is needed, which can be obtained by considering this triangle. It is a right angle triangle. Considering the acute angle 30 degrees, we have opposite, which is the height, then hypotenuse. That must be sine ratio. So sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite h over hypotenuse 12. If you clear fraction, we have h equal to 12 sine 30 degrees. This is equal to 12 sine 30 is 0.5. That is the same as 1/2, and the height is 6 centimeters. We go back to the area, which is now equal to 1/2. The shorter of the parallel sides is A, which is 8. Then B is 16 times the height 6. If you continue, we have 1/2 times 24 times 6. 2 here, 1, 2 into 6, that is 3. If you multiply the remaining two values, you have 24 times 3, and that is 72 square centimeters. The correct option is C. That is option C. Question 37. A boy walks 4 kilometers due west. He then changes direction and walks on a bearing of 214 degrees until he is southwest of the starting point. How far is he from his starting point? Correct your answer to 1 decimal place. Let's take the solution. A boy walks 4 kilometers due west, which means the boy must be at the right margin, because going towards the west is left. Okay, so let's take somewhere here as the starting point. So this is starting point. You have the north direction. He walks towards the west 4 kilometers. So the movement is towards this direction. Let's assume the ball is somewhere here, 4 kilometers. This is the north direction. of the current location. Then he changes direction at this point and walks on a bearing of 214 degrees, which is in the third quadrant in clockwise direction. 90, 180, 270. So 214 is in this part. We take it from here. Take it from here. The ball is here after covering that bearing. So from this place to this entire side is 100 is 214 degrees. We'll come back here. Now, how far is the ball from the starting point? That is this distance. We are to look for this distance. Okay? So here is D. Now, in order to find the required distance, this angle is known. You have to get it. All right. This is one quadrant, 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This entire side here is 180. This entire side is 180. From here to this point is 180. To make it 214, this other angle here, this small angle here must be 0.34 degrees. If you add it to 180, you have the 214 degrees. From here to this point is 90. So this angle that is needed becomes 90 plus 34 degrees, and that is 124 degrees. Simple analysis. This point here is between south and west. The middle of it is 0.45 degrees because the entire quadrant is 90 degrees. We have triangle S. Let's label this one P, and here is Q. The sum of angles here is 180. If this is 124, 0.45 degrees, this angle must be 0.11 degrees. So, by sine rule, why is this angle needed? This angle is needed because this side is given, and for you to apply sine rule, you need a complete side in terms of the side and the angle opposite it. In order to get the angle opposite this side must be known, which is 124 degrees. Using sine rule, we have D over sine 124 degrees is equal to 4 over sine 11 degrees. If you make D the subject, D is equal to 4 times sine 124 degrees all over sine 11 degrees. This is equal to 4 times. If you check sine of this value, you have 0.82903 all over sine 11, 0.190808. If you multiply the numerator, you have 3.31612 over 0.190808. If you divide from here, you have 17.3793 kilometers. To 1 decimal place, the required distance is approximately equal to 17.4 kilometers. The correct option is E.